Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. I'm your host Hassan Khurram and I'm back with another set of video where I'm going to teach you about customer lifetime value. What is actually customer lifetime value and why it's kind of important in terms of marketing analytics? Because with every customer you have some associated worth of it. Customer like how much this customer is worth to a brand or business. So that can be calculated in terms of customer lifetime value. This is a brief overview of that particular topic. We want in-depth analysis. I have like a 45 minutes video particularly related to this particular topic and advanced techniques that are used in order to calculate a customer lifetime value. But I'm here to give you a very brief overview. So customer lifetime value measures the total revenue expected from a customer over the relationship with the brand. Like for example, if the relationship existed between like 1 year, so what is the total value that a brand would be able to extract from that particular customer? So first of all, let's actually calculate it. First of all, we are going to import important libraries like just Panda, Seaborn, and Matplotlib. These two are for plotting, and that's one for creating the data frame. We will import the data frame, and here we are using a very basic formula. Also in real case, uh, the scenarios are quite different, and we are using more robust techniques to calculate the lifetime value. But here in our case, we are actually creating a sum of first order profit and subsequent order profit that kind of give us the total profit, and we are here just say that okay, that's the total worth of a customer to a brand. And here we are creating a new column called CLV, and we are creating its value by adding two column values. The first one is first order profit and the second one is subsequent order profit. And once we have that, we would like to visualize it. So here we are using this head method, and we are visualizing the first few rows first with customer ID, marketing channel type, and customer lifetime value. Once we have that, what we can actually do here, first we would like to see how much customer is worth based on marketing channel distribution. So here we have like df, which is the data frame, and here we are using group by function that groups the values based on that particular marketing channel type. And once we have that, we are going to calculate the aggregate value or mean value of customer lifetime value, CLV, or column. And once we have that, we are going to show the values of the total based on like ascending order, like from top to bottom. You know, ascending is here is set as false, means that we are not actually doing it in ascending order. It would be done in descending order. And once we have that, we are going to use the function bar plot of Seaborn library, and we are passing multiple input arguments. First one, obviously it's a bar plot, so we have to provide a dimension. In our case, we are providing the dimension clv.summary and dot index as an input argument. Index here represents our marketing channel type. And for why we are actually writing the values to it. So here you can see that index is actually the marketing channel categories, and the values are actually associated the calculated mean CLV values we have. And finally we are going to plot it, and it will look something like that. We will say that the customers which have been acquired through social media campaign has more worth to a brand than the customer that have been attracted through paid search or direct. So what you actually learn in this tutorial, like CLV, customer lifetime value, helps identify high value acquisition channels. Focus, it will help a brand or business to focus marketing efforts on channels that drive sustainable and more profit. So which channels give you the business? So in particular data set that you might be dealing with, you might want to ask that which channel gives your business the best long-term value. I hope this tutorial have been helpful. I will be coming back with another important topic in marketing analytics.